So Krishna says in 9.4, Maya tatamidam sarvam jagat avyaktamurtina matstani sarvabhutani nacham teshvavastita. He said, the entire creation is pervaded by me, my unmanifest form. That's Paramatma. It's not manifest, you see the Paramatma. All created beings are situated in me, but I am not situated in them. That's simple. That's why Krishna has on the bottom of his right foot, he has two concentric circles. Charanchina, the bottom of Krishna's right foot under his middle toe, two concentric circles.
Yes, correct. Ether. You said come. Ether.
Left toe, I think it's left foot actually.
It's left foot.
Left foot. So that's this verse. Two concentric circles, you know what it means? There's one circle this big and one smaller one. It's going around it. Because it's concentric circle. So everything's in Krishna. So the big circle is Krishna and the little circle is everything. And then everything's he's outside of everything, everything's in the center and he's outside. Just think of that verse is this, that symbol is this verse, 9.4. Everything is pervaded by me, all created beings are situated in me and I'm not situated in them. Like the little circle's inside the big circle, but the big circle's not inside the little circle. No, I mean seriously.
Yes, Gurudev, correct.
You follow? The heart's inside of me, but I'm not inside the heart. I'm floating on the airs of the heart. Say the jiva floats on the pran. Life airs, pran. And yet beings do not abide in me. Behold my godly power, while I am sustainer and cause of all beings. Myself is not contained in created beings. Because there's Krishna, he's speaking different ways. Sometimes he's speaking as Paramatma, sometimes he's speaking as Bhagavan. So these are different aspects of one personality. Right? Bhagavan, Paramatma, Brahman. Brahman is a tage, and Bhagavan is a person, very person, and Paramatma is a all-pervading aspect. So that's what he's saying. Because Krishna, when he's in the Vrindavan, the only person who's in him is Radharani, nobody else. Two is company, three is a crowd. We have a phrase like a guy and his girlfriend, that's nice, but then his boyfriend says, I want to come with you, get out of here. I mean, in some circumstances. Two's company, three's a crowd. So Krishna, he's speaking as Bhagavad Gita. There's nobody in his heart but Radharani. Like Hanuman. Even Paramatma was kicked out.
Yes, Ram.
Paramatma was vacated, he got kicked out of the flat. When he opened up, he only saw Ram. The guy was asking us, hey, where's the Paramatma?